Hi there, this is Silas at Sheds by Design. We're going to take a quick walkthrough tour here of this 12 by 28 A-frame garage. And I'm just going to point out the details as we go. It's got a 29 gauge metal roof. It's got 3 windows and 2 sets of shutters and a single 9-light walk-in house door on this side. A 7 by 8 sectional garage door, painted brown. Gable vents, aluminum threshold on the garage door. Beneath, the building, the floor system is 4x6 skid runners and 2x6 pressure treated joists. You got 2 windows and 2 sets of shutter, or a set of shutters on this side. Siding and trim material is a LP Smart Side siding and trim. It's got a 50-year warranty on it. It's extremely resistant to rot and decay, and the termites do not eat it. It's got waxes, resins, zinc borate, things that the termites will absolutely not eat, and they avoid it. 12 by 28. Got a window on this gable, set of shutters. Nine-light house door, keyed latch, got rubber gaskets on there. This building's kind of divided into 2 sections, so you have a partition wall there, a walk-through here, loft, workbench, and a 4-shelf that wraps around. So lots of space for your knickknacks, supplies, tools, you name it. 4x12 loft. Got outlets, switch, and 2 lights. This is about a 10 by 12 section here, kind of a little workshop section. And this is approximately a 12 by 18. Plenty of space for your lawnmower, side-by-side, ski-doo, garden tractor, golf cart, you name it. Very spacious building. You can buy outright, finance, or rent to own with 1 payment down.